Hello, I'm Douglas Pañares of Filipino Homes. First pension house in Cebu at the heart of the city is for sale. Pension house is a descriptive name to keep the privacy of the owner. However, the registered name, all the permits and documents will be given to the buyer. The hotel has 4 floors with titled lot area 504 square meters corner lot and a total floor area of 2,171 square meters. Lobby mosaic floor. The hotel is ready to operate with its facilities, equipment, and furnishings. 41 guest room, 5 single rooms, 12 double rooms, 2 Kento 5-packs rooms, 12 triple packs room, 10 quad packs room, ready for your management, administration staff, and personnel. Function room types, classroom type, and 30 packs capacity. Included in the sale are all the hotel facilities, elevator, cable TV and phone system, standby power generator, and its safety gadgets, CCTV surveillance, fire alarm system, emergency lights. The hotel has family fun facilities. The hotel has the facilities to carry out these eco-design and practices: refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and restore. The hotel is permaculture inspired. Permaculture educational features: educative mosaic, conservation codes, waste management system. Permaculture air features: air wheels, natural ventilation, assisted natural ventilation. Permaculture light features: natural daylight, 100% LED light, skylights. Permaculture wood features: reclaimed wood, upcycled wood, root chandelier. Permaculture water features: underwater mosaic, indoor waterfalls, resident turtles. The resort comes with hotel support rooms, staff house, housekeeping, waste segregation area. The pension house is one of the green hotels in Cebu. Family attuned, sensible option. Certified BISDAC, human scale, permaculture inspired, sustainability driven. People, planet, and profit. Ready for your administration staff, accounting, business operation with conference room. Advantages of this pension house: human scale, small enterprise comes with personal touch. For your profit, contact me while this is still available. Douglas F. Pañares. WhatsApp and phone number 63923-168-3270. Email douglas@aprieb.com. a Philippine Real Estate Investors Bureau. Messenger, Douglas Fernandez Pañares. TikTok at Dog Panares. Thank you and God bless.